Aloha, good afternoon. I'm Megan Lamson, and I'm here today with Troy Sakihara. And with a collaboration of other team members, we're talking about Hawaiian Anchialine Ecosystems. So what are ʻōpae? These are pools of water that are near the ocean. They are brackish water ecosystems, so estuaries. They're mixtures of salt and fresh water, provide a unique habitat to a wide variety of plants, animals, microbes, and bacterial community. They are probably best known for their Opae'ula, or little red pond shrimp, Halocaridina rubra, that, as you can see from these photos, are actually quite small, amongst an assortment of other endemic and rare shrimp and a crab species. They provide habitat for nesting and visiting seabirds, as well as waterfowl and some other endemic inverts like now or damselflies. I'll pass it off to you, Troy.
So over the past decades, various researchers, government agencies, and NGOs have collectively documented roughly 600 known anchialine habitats across 5 main Hawaiian islands, with the vast majority concentrated on Hawaiʻi Island. Now, maintaining an active inventory is especially important due to the continuous loss of older habitats and the occasional gain of new ones. In 2018, roughly 560 anchialine habitats were documented, with approximately 80 anchialine habitats lost to the lava flow in Puna on Hawaiʻi Island. Now, on the bright side, new pools have begun to form naturally in the wake of the lava flow, several of which have established populations of Opae'ula. Now, over the years, research in Hawaiian anchialine pools have spanned across a wide array of disciplines. The most common focuses to date have been habitat inventories and taxonomic and biological studies. However, with the advancements in genetics, research has increasingly taken strides in utilizing more sophisticated approaches to gain a more in-depth and comprehensive understanding of these ecosystems.
So while our knowledge base on anchialine ecosystems does continue to grow, we're currently at a race to apply our best management practices to both protect and restore these ecosystems amid threats from climate change, flood events, inundation, and other human impacts. So with that in mind, the Hui Loko network was formed out of the Hui Malama Loko Ia network. And so Hui Loko specifically is Hawaiʻi Island fish pond and anchialine pool caretakers who are coming together to protect and to perpetuate culture and connection to these special pools. So this is a video that was compiled by our colleague with Hawaii State Parks about a particular restoration process that they've been conducting at Mahai'ula in West Hawaii, where this anchialine ecosystem began as a guppy-dominated habitat, and over hundreds of hours and multiple work days and volunteer service from community and nonprofit and private groups, they were able to remove over 100,000 guppies, and now this ecosystem is ʻōpae dominated again and flourishing. So it can happen. Other initiatives in Hawaii include policy efforts such as the state shrimp bill that was introduced last year to nominate Opae'ula as our state shrimp. Fortunately, that wasn't scheduled for any hearings, but might happen in the future. And over the past several years, a group of aquatic biologists with Hawaii's Division of Aquatic Resources has also been working to draft a set of plans, so an administrative rules actually to protect our anchialine fauna. And so we hoped to get that out within the next year. With that, we'd like you to bring out your calendars and save the date for November 2021. We have, we're honored to have been selected, Hawaiʻi Island, as the next venue for this International Ecosystems meeting focusing on anchialine pools. And this is the first time it will have been held in the Pacific. It's been held multiple times across the Atlantic and never here. So this is really special. there are uncertainties around the state, what with the current events, but we are hoping to forge forward and invite people from across the state and around the world to join us for this event. So thank you so much for your time. I realize that was an awful lot to cover in 5 minutes. Please don't hesitate to contact us. Here's our email addresses, and or any of the collaborators on this presentation would be happy to talk about ʻōpae or anchialine pools now or into the future. Thanks so much. Aloha.